Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maddie, and today I am going to be doing the highly anticipated review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I picked this up the other day and I was so excited about it because it was sold out when I first went to get it. So today I'm going to be doing my honest review of this and show you guys my favorite look that I did with it so far. I have played with it a little bit, so it's not a first impressions, but this is my review and a little demo with it. So if you're interested in what I think of this palette right here, then just keep watching. Alright, so I already have my base done. I'm loving it so far. So this is the palette right here. It comes with, I don't want this brush to fall out. It comes with 14 shades, I believe. I can't even talk. Yes, it comes with 14 shades, and they are gorgeous shades. I will insert swatches right here. And today I'm gonna be going for a like pinky, rosy look because those colors in here are really calling my name. I will say these did not swatch very beautifully on my arm, but they were super creamy and blended out beautifully once I started using them on my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna be going for a rosy look today, and I wore a really like golden look with this palette the other day to work, just like when I first played with it, and I got so many compliments on my makeup that day. It was insane. So we're gonna be going for that rosy look today. I'm really excited about it. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take which one do I want to take? I'm going to take my Morphe Y19 brush. Just kidding, I lied. I lied to you. We're going to take the Morphe Y17 brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade right here, Dusty Rose. I will say there is a little bit of kickback. Nothing too crazy for me. I don't mind it. I just kind of blow off the little excess. It's nothing compared to the Subculture, I'll say it right now. I know that was like a hot mess and a half. Everyone hated it, whatever. Alright, so I'm just dusting this all through my crease, getting it on my lid. I don't really care if I'm being messy with it. This is kind of my transition color, but also a really vital part of the look. So I'm loving it. It's just such a pretty color. These shadows are so pigmented too, which I really love. Like, what do you expect from Anastasia? Alright. So, you want it just to be blended out just about like there. You want that color all over. So I'm going to do it on the other eye. Again, just right in that crease. I feel like I'm always breathing so heavy in my videos, so sorry if I sound cray-cray. And I already primed my eyes. I just used my concealer today and said it was some translucent powder. You can use an eyeshadow primer if you want. I just did not use one today. Add a little bit more color on this side. Alright, so next I'm just going to take the little brush that it came with because why not? And I like to use a little flat side of it, and I'm going to dip into this color right here, Rose Pink. It's like a really pretty, it's such a like glittery shade. It's more of a shimmer than a glitter. And I'm going to pack this probably in the first half of my eye. So right here, my application right now is without the brush being wet. I'm just going to put a first one down without it being wet. And then I'm going to put even more on when I wet my brush with Fix Plus, so we can see how the color intensifies, if it intensifies. So again, I'm just dipping into a rose pink, and I guess I put it more on 2/3 of my eye than just half. And we just pack that all over. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Fix Plus and just squirt the brush a little bit. And then I'm going to dip back into rose pink and put that on top of this and see. Oh, it does definitely intensify that shine. It's such a pretty color. That is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see it. That was so weird. I hate when I close my eyes like that right in front of my camera. It's so creepy. My brush is still wet, by the way, so I'm not going to re-wet it for this eye. I'm just repacking that on. Alright, so now that we have all of those colors on, I'm going to take a Morphe Y17 brush. Just a little fluffy... Did I take the... No, I don't want to take this one. I want to take the Morphe Y19. I need to get my brushes straight. And we're going to go into this cranberry shade right here, Mulberry, and we're going to focus this right on the outer V to really add some dimension. Work it into the crease as well, about like halfway, so that there's no awkward lines. We don't like harsh lines here. No, no, no. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just making sure it's on the lid. That's what I like better. Let's just blend all those together. Alright, so that is what we have on this eye. We're just going to do the same on the other eye. Now on the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to tap in a little bit and tap off the excess into Mulberry again and smoke out my lower lash line just on like the outer half. You don't want to go too crazy. Again, on the other side. I look crazy without eyeliner on. So I'm going to add winged eyeliner, lashes, and put my brows on, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the final eye look. I added a little bit of black liner in my waterline, a little bit of winged liner in these eyelashes. I think it's gorgeous. The last thing I'm going to do is add a liquid lip. I don't know what color I want to go with. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I have really been loving the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lips lately. They are like my fave. They literally stay all day. So this is the finished look. So I've decided I really do love this Soft Glam palette. It is so versatile. It has different shades. It has the light shades. It has the dark shades. It's perfect for going out. It's perfect for every day. I really do think this is a beautiful palette, and I'm very excited to get to use it more. I'll probably use this for most of my everyday looks now because I really do love the colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I cannot speak. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.